Stop wasting time manually creating tasks. Learn how to instantly generate Jira issues directly from Confluence, streamlining your workflow and transforming your ideas to reality. First, you will need both Confluence and Jira accounts, and they should be linked. Ensure you have the appropriate permissions in both systems. Navigate to your Confluence page where you have your ideas, meeting notes. Now, select the text within your Confluence page that you want to turn into a Jira issue. This could be a task description, a bug report, or even a feature request. With your text highlighted, look for a button that offers options related to Jira. Typically, this will be found in the toolbar, appearing as a Jira icon. Click on that button. This will open a window, allowing you to create the Jira issue. The highlighted text from your Confluence page will automatically populate the description field. Fill in required fields like project, issue type such as task, bug, or story, the summary field, and any other details relevant to the task. Customize this new issue within Confluence. You can add relevant labels, assignees, due dates, or any other necessary information for your project team. Once completed, click on the Create button. You'll see that the selected text is now linked to the Jira issue, allowing you to easily track progress from within your Confluence page. You can click the link to navigate directly to the Jira issue and continue your project easily. Now your notes officially transition to your project in seconds using Confluence and Jira.